Can you make sure the screen's okay? Yeah. Best off of this bad boy. Make sure we got audio and all that. Really clear, man. I mean, it is really loud. Okay. Well, we have audio, we got video, and we are ready to rock. Scott says, let's see some Julio.
What?
Let's do it, Scott. I love it. Here we go. 10 hanger boxes. 67 cards apiece. Not even numbered. I'd love to see some Julio. Low numbered Julio. Black would be pretty sick. I'd love to see a Julio auto. For that matter.
I can tell you, all it takes to top of the last retail break is more than one gold.
Oh, wow. All right, we're going to fly through the base real quick.
Yeah, we are.
Actually, gotta raise the camera up a little bit. There we go.
Top 3 or 4 named rookies.
Yeah.
Will be top of it. Everybody else.
Stallmont, Cubs, Rangers, Corey Seager, there's a J-Rod, Ruff, Braves, League Leaders, Thompson, Leaders, Padres, Leaders, Smith, Haniger, McKinnon, Ozuna, Rogers, Stowers, Small, Pache, Swaggerty, Grichuk, Garcia, Almora, Guerrero, Votto, Miller, Luis Robert. Wow, there's a nice little numbered card right off the bat. Too bad it's Dylan Bundy. Dylan Bundy vintage stock, 45 of 99 for the Twins. Wish that was Julio. Then we got a, what do they call it, navy blue? Royal blue. Shane Justin Bieber. Foil, rainbow foil, Giovanni Gallegos for the Cardinals. Stars of the MLB, Jose Ramirez, Freddie Freeman, Alonso, and Mickey Betts. Corey Seager, 1988. Jordan, Greatest Hits, 2022. Matthew Liberatore, rookie. Burns, Gray, Cease, McClanahan, Happ, Gallegos, Vargas, Santander, Sewald, McGill. Riley Green, rookie. Murphy, Figueroa, Grandal, Diaz, Guerrero, and Bichette. Verdugo, O'Neill, Vaughn Grissom, here's a nice one for the Braves. Leon, Duffy, Stott, Marte, Gorman. Gleyber Torres, Oscar Gonzalez, Owen Miller, Espinal, and Tyler Stevenson. There's box number 1. A base card? No. 99 cents free shipping on eBay nowadays.
Well, you play a top baseball.
I don't know Leaders, Judge, Arise, Donaldson, Story, Herget, Mets, Royals, Leaders, Buxton, Pete Alonso, Padres, Leaders, Smith, Haniger, McKinnon, Ozuna, Rogers, Stowers, Ward, Kiermaier, Langleaders, Mullins, Wood, Ride, Smith, Cronenworth, Servin, Otani, Aaron Nola. Gerard Encarnacion on the Royal Blue rookie for the Marlins. Stars of the MLB, you got Buxton, Baez, Guerrero, and Otani. Alex Bregman on the 1988. Cedric Mullins, 30-30. Duran, Cortez, Clemens, Carrasco, Liberatore, Burns, Gray, Cease, McClanahan, Happ, Diaz, Guerrero, Bichette, Verdugo, O'Neill, Grissom, Mateo. Evan Lee, Iglesias, Chavez, Grove, Stevenson, Perez, Suzuki, Max, Prado, Contreras, Aranda, Crawford, Rojas, and Darvish. We'll do it for box number 2. Yeah, on
My top base right here, Evan. Yeah.
You gotta have a little pep in your step when you're flying through this in the base cards. Box number 3. I want to see some funky wonky color in here. Dodgers, J-Rod, Ruff, Braves, Leaders, Thompson, Blue Jays, Leaders, Orioles, Chisholm, Peraza, Castro, Lyles, Perez, Taylor, Rogers, Mole, Montgomery, Smith, IKF, Duran, Mountcastle, Yastrzemski, Walker, Anderson, Choi, Brown, Drury, Wow, CJ Cron, oh crap, I figured it out. Yohan Duran, Duran, however you want to say it. Kind of weird. Rainbow foil for the Twins, stars of the MLB, Albies, Nolan Gorman.
They got Fred Spence for freaking, Aaron Rodgers is Steve Racing the ball is wide receiver once.
Byron Buxton, Diaz, Max Meyer, 88 rookie. There's a playing card, Greg Maddux, all aces for the Braves, cool little card. Marte, Hayes, Martin, Yelich, Hoskins, Downs, Maley, Gray, Urias, Franco, Altuve, Senzatella, Barlow, Neville, Birdie, Green, Lauer, Marsh, Scherzer, Mitchell, Springs, Quantrill, Hernandez. I've never heard of that. Yadiel Hernandez. You familiar? Soto, Gutierrez, Alvarez, Gonsolin, Freeman, Toro, and Willie Adames. Round out box number 3. Let's go. We need to keep up big time. What are the odds of pulling an auto of one of these things? Oh wow. Not very likely. Just gonna be honest. The most common autograph is 1 in 133 hanger boxes.
Yeah, I saw that. Sticker autograph, Max Meyer.
Yeah.
Baseball stars autograph.
Yeah, that's what it was.
33rd year of Dylan Carlson.
We do have a chrome baseball stars in here. That looks like it's about it.
Out of all my years with not the league, I've only ever put one
Judge, Arise, Donaldson, Story, Herget, Mets, Royals, Leaders, Buxton, Mets. There's a Michael Harris rookie. Here's a Brave. Larnach, Grisham, Buxton, J-Ram, Gray, Duran, Kepler, Mentor, Alfaro, Giants, Rogers, Hernandez, McCormick, Clase, Urias, Gonzalez, Sierra, Kirby, Cole. The Chrome is a Stars of the MLB Bo Bichette refractor for the Blue Jays. Vlad Jr., Otani, Franco, Harper, O'Neal Cruz, 1988, 30-30, Jeff Bagwell. I did not know Jeff Bagwell had a 30-30 season. Everything like that's a stolen base guy. Seager, McKenzie, Romano, Presley, Rodriguez, Cooper, Duran, Cortez, Clemens, Carrasco, Real Muto, Thompson, Bryant, Rainey, Bobby Witt, Ashby, Keller, Perez, Hauser, Raleigh. There's a Gunnar Henderson rookie. Yep. Dean Kramer. There's a J-Rod for Scott. Cordero, Goldschmidt. Is that another Gunnar Henderson? 2, like 5 cards away from each other. Kind of odd. Codes are both the same. So there we go, Orioles.
One of those with a fax maybe one?
No, if you're in the back of the pack. Yeah, nothing. Same card.
But he had a pack that had he was handing out back-to-back cards and
What the? And I got another Dean Kramer, another J-Rod. Eli Morgan, Gavin Lux. That was odd.
Hey, back to good players, though.
Yeah, at least they weren't Jay Scrub.
Basketball, great.
Is he a basketball player? I couldn't remember. There's a scrub in the MLB too. Austin Scrub or something like that.
You're not thinking of Xavier
No, there's another scrub in the MLB. SCRUBB. 100% sure. I think he pitched in the WBC, I want to say. Hanger number 5. He said I'm okay with that. Too. Got another chrome and a rainbow foil. Angels team. Leaders, Hernandez, Garcia, Pavetta, Devers, Barlow, Guardians, Cardinals, Leaders, Bayo, Thompson, Helsley, Peraza, Castro, Lyles, Perez, Taylor, Rogers, Bride, Smith, Cronenworth, Servant, Otani, Nola, Lee, Freed, Carlos Rodon, Chrome, Stars of the MLB, Refractor of Mookie Betts, Royal Blue, Trevor Story, Red Sox, Josiah Gray, Future Stars, Rainbow Foil for the Nats. Stars of the MLB, Cole, Bichette, Trout, Lindor, Mark McGwire on 1988, Anthony Rizzo, Greatest Hits. There's a lot of scrubs in the MLB. That there is. I guess I can't really say they're scrubs because they're in the MLB and I'm not, but players you don't necessarily want, I agree with that. Yelich, Hoskins, Downs, Maley, John Gray, Urias, Franco, Kershaw, Benintendi, Javier, Altuve. There's a scrub. Ugh. Senzatella, Knebel, Barlow, Birdie, Green, Lauer, Marsh, Scherzer, Mitchell, Stassi, Vogelbach, VR, Hendricks, Springs, Quantrill, Hernandez, Soto, Gutierrez, and Jordan. Hanger number 6. Says error. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Kind of odd. Hey, Scott, can you see and hear everything okay? We just got a weird streaming error message from YouTube. Just want to make sure everything's okay. If not, please let me know. I'm going to hold off for just a second while we figure this out. I've never seen that before. Can somebody just let us know if we can be seen and heard okay? Wi-Fi connection's good. Yeah, Scott, I understand that. I'm a part-time Angels fan. Part-time Angels fan, part-time Cubs fan. Just have to divide the suffering of those two franchises between each other. I can see fine. Okay, perfect. I've just never seen that message before, so I just wanted to make sure. Here we go, hanger number 6. The brick of cards. Orioles team, Chisholm, Abrams, McMahon, Leaders, Red Sox, Marcus Wilson, maybe? Scott. Did he come through here? Okay, I thought so.
Yeah.
Jimenez, Leaders. Gray, Duran, Kepler, Mentor, Alfaro, Giants, Leaders, Alfaro or Padres something. Leaders, Smith, Piura, Kirby, Cole, Small, Pache, Swaggerty, Grichuk, Garcia, Almora, Guerrero. Corbin Burns on the rainbow foil for the Brewers. Stars of the MLB, Albies, Gorman, Buxton, Baez. Verlander, Yastrzemski, Carrasco, Liberatore, Burns, Gray, Cease, McClanahan, Happ, Gallego, Spargus, Santander. Trout and Otani got their countries to the WBC finals. Right? You don't have to make it any worse, man. It's already miserable enough. Diaz, Guerrero, Bichette, Verdugo, O'Neill, Grissom, Mateo, Lee, Iglesias, Chavez, Grove, Glaber, Gonzalez, Owen Miller, Espinal, Stevenson, Perez, Suzuki, Matz, Prado, and Contreras. Yeah, I'm not one of those Angels fans who's going to be like, oh man, this year's going to be different. This year's going to be our year. I can't stand those people because every time we get our hopes up, they suck just as bad. So, you got the two, debatably the two best players in baseball, and you win 50% of your games. I don't get it. Granted, playing in I think the AOS is the best division in baseball.
I don't know if that's what that's what we do now.
Got you. Yeah, please sign yesterday. I think the best division in baseball is. NL East, probably.
Yeah.
AL West is a good division, though. Especially now for Mariners.
That's good.
Mariners got a great team.
Hey, what the Red Sox do this year? Yeah.
Diamondbacks, Angels, team, leaders. Hernandez, Garcia, Pivetta, Devers, Barlow, Guardians, Cardinals, Smith, IKF, Winchowski,
Sure.
Beer, Brubaker,
Yes, sir.
Hughes, Acuna, Snell, Sosa, Cabrera, Durant, Mountcastle, Yastrzemski, Walker. Pretty sure still Walker is a former. I don't know. I thought I met him. Tim Anderson, Choi, Hunter Brown, Drury, Nathaniel Lowe, wow. CJ Cron, not numbered. Rainbow Foil, league leaders, Alonzo, Goldschmidt, Lindor. Takes 9+ relief pitching and slugging. Yeah. Stars of the MLB, Alonzo, Betts, Devers, Cole, DeGrom. There's Ohtani, greatest hits 2022. Marquez, Sandoval, Bieber, Gosman, Alcantara, Brieske, Escobar, Morel, Paul Blackburn, Moreno, Green, Lauer, Marsh, Scherzer, Mitchell, Skubal, Givens, Sheets, Margot, Riley Green, Cal Quantrill, Hernandez, Soto, Gutierrez, Alvarez, Gosselin, Freeman, Toro, Adames, and Cruz. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. I don't understand the strategy that the Angels have. Because, yeah, I mean, we had Raisel Iglesias last year, gave him away for a bag of peanuts, gave away Syndergaard for nothing, and then just gave up at the end of the year. I don't get their rebuilding strategy if they have a couple players with a good season and they give them away at the All-Star break for nobody. It's a constant cycle of disappointment. Terrible. All right, 3 hanger boxes
About 20 more hours to do.
Yeah. All right, I want to see something here. Killian, Dodgers, Nationals, Leaders, Judge, Arias, Donaldson, Story, Herget, Mets, Gray, Duran, Kepler, Minter, Alfaro, Giants, Leaders, Padres, Leaders, Clase, Urias, Gonzalez, Vieira, Kirby, Cole, Small, Pache, Swaggy, Gritchick. Royal Blue, Byron Buxton. That's a nice little card. Aaron Judge, Rainbow Foil. Stars of the MLB, Robert, Yelich, Witt, Arenado. 88, Nolan Arenado. Greatest hits of Mookie Betts. Back to base, Seager, McKenzie, Romano, Presley, Rodriguez, Cooper, Duran, Cortez, Clemens, Carrasco, Real Nido, Thompson, Bryant, Rainey, Witt, Ashby, Keller, Perez, Hauser, Raleigh, Schwindel, Wainwright, Casas, Cordero, Goldschmidt, Gunnar Henderson, Kramer, J-Rod, Eli Morgan, and Gavin Lux. I always root for the Mariners. You know, when they make the playoff, I always,
20 years?
yeah, I like the Mariners now.
See what Mariners are tough, but once in a while coming?
Twice? Once? Didn't they make it twice?
I thought this year, first year they made it, like, Ichiro.
Maybe it was. Ichiro was a rookie the year I was born, so I might have watched it.
Oh, yeah.
I just don't remember. How old are you?
I'm gonna get it.
You're not that much older than me. Oh, man. Hernandez, Garcia, Pivetta, Devers, Barlow, Guardians, Cardinals, Leaders, Guardians, Kana. Canna?
What can I
I don't know
do?
why I said Kana.
Oh,
Bradish.
look at that.
Yeah. Bradish. Singer, Lugo, Sanchez, DeGrom, Bellinger, Cobb, Naylor, Chapman, Meadows, Ruiz, Garcia, Syndergaard, Sawinski, Palacios, Kelly, Tatis, Hall, Strom, Edmund. Hey, there's a banging little card. Miguel Vargas, Rainbow Floral rookie for the Dodgers. He said Ichiro was a rookie when I was 21. Stars of the MLB, Franco Harper, Ramirez, and Freddie Freeman. 88, Jeff Bagwell. Aaron Judge, greatest hits. Back to base, Brieski, Escobar, Morel, Blackburn, Moreno, Soto, Harper, Encarnacion, Anderson, Doval, Skubal, Givens, Sheets, Margot, Green, Stroman, Pujols, Cavalli, Wells, Ray, Johnson, Freeman, Toro, Adames, Cruz, Alonso. There's an Adley rookie for the Orioles. Judge, Ivan Herrera, Seth Brown. And finally, the last hanger box of 2023 box. Is it only 4:30? It feels like it's 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's still out.
Last
We're still gonna be at
hanger box. We are going to be at this for a while. We will know every detail about every 2023 top series when we start every year. Why do they know like gold in this kind of thing? I mean,
Really hard to
this
hit,
is just
man.
dry.
Hard to hit.
That's never thought a card would be 2023 would be hard to hit.
But they're trying to press it, right?
Oh yeah, they're cranking these things. Picking up Soldier Boy. McMahon, leaders, Red Sox, Marcus Wilson. Scott, Jimenez, leaders, Hoskins, Jansen, Kikuchi, Diamondbacks, Padres, leaders, Smith, Raleigh.
Come back to this.
Yeah. No, he's in Pizzuno, Rogers, Stowers, Ward, Gibson, Garcia, Almora, Guerrero, Votto, Miller, Robert, Kiermaier, Langlear, Cedric Mullins, Alex Wood. Stars of the MLB. Bada bing, bada boom. Pete Alonso, Betts, Devers, Judge, Yount, 1988, Murphy, 30-30, McClanahan, Happ, Gallegos, Vargas, Santander, Sewald, Jones, Marte, Hayes, Martin, Mateo, Lee, Iglesias, Chavez, Grove, Trout, Bohm, Pascantino, I like that kid a lot. Actually, he's like third, he's not good. Daza, Fetty, Perez, Suzuki, Max, Prado, Contreras, Crawford, Aranda, Rojas, Darvish, and Mark Appel is the last card. Once again, guys, if you're watching right now, we have a 2022 Panini Prism Football 6-box half-case break ending on eBay tonight. We also have a 2022-23 Donruss Elite Basketball 3 hobby box break ending tonight. So y'all go check that out, and we'll